Mm, Maybe this is the ground floor. You have a level 1 and level 2 here. Delete it. That's why I told you when you create it, you should say yes. All right. We can close the pop-up. All right. So we have floors here. We have floors. See, I want to create a one more floor for the roofs because this level 2 has a roof. So let me add one more floor here, which is gonna be in last is what? LR. LR mean roof. So and roof. I can say and roof and LR. How do you add this one? So you'll go to what? Level, select the last one and select it here. What is the name of this one is? LR. LR. See, when you say yes, LR, it will reflect LR here. How much the height will be here? Tell me now.
1,800. No, 1,700.
1,700. Because the reason is why? Level 2 is given as what? Level 2 is what? 4,000. So from here to 4,000, 1,700 or 17,000. So this is your lower roof or roof. Roof or a lower roof, no problem, whatever it is. Still, it's came lower roof in the structure, no need, delete it. Okay. Let's say I'm going to work from the level. Now we created levels as clear. You're all clear. Yeah. Now let's now start our project from what? We will start from the basement for basement 2. Basement 2. So how to go to the basement 2? You can double click on the basement 2. Now you are in basement 2. And you can delete all of them. See here you are in where? Now you are in basement 2.
Can you go back?
Happen? Yeah, go to basement 2. This is basement 2 and close all of them. Now you are in basement 2, okay? Okay. Now here I'm going to create a one wall here. So select the wall. So I'm going to create a wall. Let's me in basement. We can create walls. Or this walls is about 300 millimeter walls. So take the wall and select the type is what? How much? 300. And that 300 thickness of wall is up to what? GR, up to ground floor. And the wall height is what? Up to ground floor. So I'll come here, 300. The top constraint I'm going to give it as what? What? Up to ground floor. So using my rectangle tool,
Top constraint.
once you selected the wall type, and the top constraint is 10,000, or you can give a ground floor here and select the rectangle tool now, and you can draw a wall here, and you have a wall here. So fine and medium, you have a wall. You have a wall like this. You have a wall. Okay.
Up to level ground floor.
Yeah, ground floor. Take the rectangle tool.
No, rectangle.
Okay,
Okay.
that's it. Escape now. No, 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 don't change anything. Okay, done. That's it, huh? So it is 10,000 from basement to ground floor. Okay, very good. Cancel it. So now I'm going to give you the size of this wall. So how do you put the size of this wall? Using the dimensions tool given here, align dimensions. Using the align dimensions, which is given here, use the align dimensions. Take the center of the wall to the center of this wall, and it's going to show you the height here. It's giving a 32,000. Let us keep it as 32,000. If it is 32,000, let me change into, click here. How to change the value here? You have to select the wall and click it and type it as 35,000. How much? How much? 35,000. Yeah, you can type it 35,000. And take one more dimensions, take one more dimension from the center of this wall to the center of this wall and keep it. And select it, make it 12,000. Just make sure your wall size is like this. How to change the size? Escape. Okay, select the wall and type it here. How much?
3,200.
It's a 35,000. No, 35,000 as well as 12,000 and 12,000. Escape. Select the wall. No, this wall you have to select it. Then only it will become active. Zoom. Type it here. Is what? 12,000. Is okay? How do you first put the dimension? Yeah. Zoom. Zoom. Click it and come down. Zoom. Click it. Put it up. Yeah, keep it there. Escape now. Select the wall and select it here. 35,000. 35,000. Enter and go to the next one. Dimensions. Zoom. Okay. Next one. Okay. Okay. Now escape. Select it. No. Escape. Select it. Zoom. Go to select this one. Now which one it is? 10,000. No. Reduce it. Reduce and select it. Select it. And then select the 10,000 value where it is. Zoom in. Yeah. Okay. Click it. Now how much? 12,000. It's okay. For you okay? That which one? That is giving a different value. So this is center to center, that is outside to outside, maybe internal to internal. See, maybe when you are selecting the wall, you may getting a double dimensions like this. So meaning that you see that it is internal point to what? Internal wall distance is 11,700 and center to center is what? 12,000. So it is 12,000. Okay, now here we have a what? Floor. Okay. Now let us create a one what? Remove what? One more. Yeah, when you click a wall, how do I?
Escape.
Escape outside. Or click outside, it will go. All right. So now, see here, I'm going to insert a, now you created what? A floor. Or created wall, created wall. Now create floor. So let us create a floor. Floor thickness. The floor thickness you're going to use it 150 millimeters. Okay. Now select what? Floor here. If you go to floor here, see in the architectural ribbon, in the floor icon, select the what? Architectural floor. And how much the thickness I set here? 150. Select 150. And you're going to draw it on the what? Basement 2. Using the rectangle icon here, here is a rectangle icon. Move it here. Select the first corner and select what? Second corner. You see that? This is now floor. When you say a finish, there is a floor. There is a?
To connect the external points or
To connect external points. Let me show you again. Take the what? Floor. Floor icon. 150. Using the rectangle icon, click on the external point here. And the external point where? Here. Finally, you will say what? Finish. There is a floor now. There is a floor. The floor came. External to external. Yes, then finish. Here is a finish icon. Finish. So now the floor is created. Use the finish icon finally. Yeah, here is a finish icon. Yeah. Yeah, green is to finish. Okay, now if you look at from the 3D view, you can see your floor is there. You see that there is a floor here. You have a floor. Did you notice that there is a floor here? Here is a?
from below?
Yeah, you see that there is a small floor is there. How much the size of the floor is? Height of the floor? 150 millimeters. So this floor is where is available on the basement too, no? Oh, the floor is where now? On the what?
Basement, no, basement to floor.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the concrete.
Yes, basement floor. So how can I draw it a floor on the top of the basement too?
How did you go back?
Say here. You are here, no?
Yes.
Here is the floor is there. So yeah, there is one more floor is there, no? Basement 1. Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, here you see that if the level is showing me, it's gonna show me that this is your level basement 2, no? This is your ground floor. And between this, you have to put one more basement floor. You require one more floor here because it's too high. So you are doing in from the basement 2. So close this. Before you don't close it, select to what? Basement 1. And then here you have to do what? The same flooring now. You have to do the Same flooring. Go to what now? Floors. Architectural floor, 150, basement 1. Take the rectangle and you will be doing what now? Putting basement 1 and say finish. When you go to 3D view, now you have a what? How many floors do you have it? 2 floor here and floor here. The first floor you draw it on the basement 2, isn't it? Hmm. Done?
This is basement.
1 minute, give me mouse. Okay, cancel this. So see, you created only 1 floor, huh? Okay, so you go to basement 1. Again, now you'll take what? Floor. So basement 1, 150, take what? Rectangular from here to here, and finally say finish. When you see 3D view, you have a floor here. Okay. Now you require one more floor. Where? On the ground floor. So you will go where? Ground floor. But you see here, you don't see anything here. When you come to ground floor, do you see anything? Do you see anything? No. So if you go to ground floor, it is all of them is what? Below the ground floor. That's why you cannot see. Because on the ground floor is nothing. But you need a floor. Either you can do it from what? In the basement 1 also you can do it. Go to the basement 1. This time when you take a floor, see not in the what? Basement 1. You're gonna say is what? What?
Ground floor.
Ground floor, take rectangle and draw. Now when you draw like that, the floor is where in the ground floor. So floor is where on the ground floor. Say yes, attach. And go to the 3D view. Do you see that? There is a floor on the ground floor. It's completely closed. And if you go to ground floor now, do you see that? From the basement 1, you will draw the ground floor. Huh? So you are in goes basement 1. Yeah, now take what? Floor. Select level is what? Ground floor. Use the
No, I'm having to say, would you like the walls to go up to this level?
ground floor. Yes. Then take your
It's even showing.
yeah. Because you are in ground basement 2, no, basement 1, no. That's why you can see.
Okay.
That's why take rectangle now. Now you can start corner from that corner to and this corner. Zoom in here. No, this is wrong point. You didn't align, give me. Okay. Finally, you will say what? Finish. And say attach to the, yes. And when you see it here, now you have a roof. And even if you go to now ground floor, you are able to see the top of the plate. So now in the ground floor, you can see the top plate, isn't it? So you have to go into the basement 1 and draw. Isn't it? Yes. Now, so this is your basement 2, and this is your basement 1, and this is ground floor. Ground floor is nothing. The top plate is there. The top plate is there.
You have had ground floor now?
Hmm?
Okay, let me go to ground floor. Let's see. Yes, this one.
Okay, done. Now let's say I want to add some grid lines. Go to the what? Basement 2. You know these grid lines. I explained in my first session also. Take the grid line. You can draw some lines as here. This is line number 1. And this is, I'm going to draw it, line number 10. This one I'm going to say is line number is what? 10. Maybe I have a number of lines as in future, therefore I gave it 10. Take the grid line here. Okay, here also I'm going to give it as A. The number is going to be what? Capital A. And I'm going to add one more grid lines from here also, which is to be what? Not B. I'm going to say this one. It's like J. So in future, I may add some grid lines here. So that grid lines as you can see in the ground floor also now. Every floor says you can do it. Every floor says you can see it now. So I added 4 grid lines. The first grid line is a 1 and second grid line is number 10. And the third grid lines I added is a and this is J.
Then how to extend it to go down? Now I want to extend it.
Okay, select the grid line. No. Select the grid line from here. Select it and using the stretch line, take it out. Okay. Okay, 1 and 2. And this.
Let me add this one.
Okay, you have to draw one more grid line. Let's take the grid line. So you can start either from here and give it. What is the name of this one? It's A. Select it, type it, capital A. Oh, A. Okay, can you type it? Is working? What happened? Click it. Okay, keep it. Now skip. Okay, one more you want to do it this side and okay. See, wait a minute. You are click now. Okay. 2 and escape and this one. Zoom in. Take it outside. Click it and come this side and zoom in. Zoom and click it. Escape. One more time escape. Zoom in. Select the letter A. And again take the quit. Skip. Quit. No, that is A and B, and this is 1 and 2. We'll change it. Change this one to A. Okay, working?
So I need to go in here only in floor or?
You have to go basement 1, no?
Okay.
Basement 1, take a what? Floor.
Floor. We should repeat the same process in basement 1.
No. It all everywhere it will come. So you have to change this one into now what? Ground floor.
Okay. And it change here. I forgot that.
Say finish. That's it. Say yes. Clear? So we attached floors is here. We have attached the floors. Okay, now we are in basement 2, no? Okay, in basement 2, I'll take a wall here. I'll take a wall. I'll take 200 millimeters thickness of wall. And I draw a wall from here, like that. And then dimensions, I'm going to do the dimensions. So between this and this, I'll have 4,500. And this, it is about 16,000. There is one room here. So there is one room, which is how much? 16,000, isn't it? I'm doing where from? From the
Basement 2.
basement 2. How much it is? How much? 16,000 and what? 4,500. I'll take the room number. I'll place it. And the name of the room is plant room.
This number for breakfast.
Hmm?
Forgotten.
Hmm?
To the number for me, I was not concentrating.
Which number?
The plant room.
Room. Take the room here. Go to architectural room and put the room. Before that,
Let me do the
dimension first. Yeah. To change the dimension, select the wall. How much it is? Do one more dimensions, which is 16,000. So put one more dimension. Now select this wall. Escape. No. Select it and click here. Done. Now put the dimension for this one. Escape. It is. Select it here. And use now plant. What happened?
No, to edit this one.
Okay. Now select this. Select it here. Give me. You already locked it. It should not be locked. And this dimension should be inside it. Okay. How much is select it? And here how much? 4,400. Then go to architectural ribbon. Select room and place it. Then edit the room, which is gonna be plant room.
How do you work on
Mhm.
this? How do you work on
If you lock, unlock. Where's your cursor? If you lock here and again click to unlock. All right. So you have a what? Small planned room is there. If you see in the 3D view and you see that, that is inside this basement 2. And if you want to see in the wireframe, you can notice that this is wireframe and this is fine. See here you have a wall, you have a roof here. But it is coming from what? It is coming from
Basement 2
to what?
to ground floor.
Ground floor. It is coming from what? From basement 2 to ground floor. I want to have another one more room, but it is only in the basement 1, not in the basement 2. So I will go to what? Close this. Basement 1. I'm in the basement 1. Okay. I'm in what? In basement 1. Take the wall. Go up to what? Ground floor. Now take these rooms. What is the name of the room is? What is the name of this room?
Plant room.
This is also planned room. So it's planned room. You can say as what? B1. And this is a electrical room. 1. Or electrical room, you can say basement 1. But if you go to your basement 2, you can change this one planned room to what? What? Basement 2. This is your basement 2 planned room, and this is your basement 1 planned room and electrical room.
What's the dimension for the electrical room?
Yeah, we'll see dimensions, CQ dimensions, and only you require this dimension only. Change this one into 8,000. This is your electrical room. Electrical room is only 8,000.
When we get to draw one room, so we will just take wall and we will go to the ground floor. Basement 1 only.
No, that is basement 1. It's up to ground floor. It's correct. Now you will draw one line.
This red line mean anything or?
No, it's okay. Yeah. This is the border, and this is the border of the room.
Okay.
Border of the room, it means. So I have given 8,000. Huh? Select the whole. No, this one. Because you're going to resize this one. You have to select this and 8,000. Everything okay?
Basement also will draw, right?
No. Basement 2 doesn't have. See, if you look at in 3D view, you have it where? Only in what? Only in basement 1. Basement 2, nothing. There is no electrical room. There is no electrical room on the basement 2. Okay.
Said there is something came up more earlier investment. I wrote something there now. Was before I wrote.
Excuse me. It's okay. It is now.
Now I cannot find it. I wrote it already before.
Okay. This is basement 1. No.
Yes.
If you go to basement 2,
It's not there. I didn't.
you didn't put the room.
I put it before.
You put it before? Okay, maybe you remove the tag. You already removed the tag. So it is gonna be like what, basement 2. We can say basement 2. That's a basement 2 plan room. Okay, this is your basement 2 plan room, and this is your basement 1 plan room, and this is your electrical room. Okay,
Second basement. Okay, I draw this one, when I look in 3D view, it's coming up.
okay, select the wall and see it's coming unconnected. No,
Okay.
it should be from, actually it should be from, basement 1 up to what? Ground floor. Okay, go down. Okay, I think you have a 2-3 walls here. Okay, 3D view. And this is a different wall. You added extra wall. Delete this. It's already there in one wall. Hmm?
Then two also.
Hmm?
You can see this. It's not the-
Yeah, only one room, planned room. 2 rooms is. Okay. In basement 2, you have only 1 room. In basement 1, you have a 2 rooms is. Yes, correct. To rotate it, you can use your shift key. Hold the shift key. Hold the shift key and press the scroll to rotate it. Huh? Like this, you can rotate it. All right. So now go back here. So we come back to the ground floor. This is our ground floor, okay? So I have ground floor here. Okay. In this ground floor, I'll take what? Wall now. Take the architectural wall. From ground floor to
Yes.
roof. Ground floor to roof. Ground floor to roof. I'll take a what? Rectangular. And I draw what? Wall like this. And say I have drawn a wall. I'm going to put the dimensions, take the dimensions from the center to the center of the wall. Again from the center to the center of the wall. Again from center to the center of the wall. Again from the center to the center of the wall. Okay, if I select this one, I can customize this. So 192. So I can change this one as 2000. It is 2000. It is also is what? It is also
2000.
2000. This one I'm going to give it as 4000. is 4,000. This one I'm going to give it around 7,000. Can you do this? This wall will be up to what? Roof. It will be like this. The wall from what? Ground floor to roof. Roof. Huh?
200 or 300.
The wall I used it 200 thickness of wall. Huh? Wall 200. Up to roof. You can draw now inside using the rectangle. No problem. You can start from here and go. No. I think start clicking here. I think already you are in rectangle. Click it. No, it's not rectangle. Okay, take wall again. And then rectangle. And the settings are okay. Now click here inside. Just draw it. Okay, now you can put your dimensions, mesh the dimension as I mentioned here. This direction is 7,000, 4,000, 2,000, 2,000. Click it. No, click one time. Take it. Click center. Click one time and put it outside. Then escape. Escape. Escape one time until the command go. Now select it. Select which one. Change it. Which one you have to change? This one. 4,000? No, 2,000. No. Escape. One more time, escape. You see, it's 2,000. It's done. 7,000. So the 3D view? Yes. It looks like that. No.
There's something else here. Okay.
Hmm?
There's a grid line I'm seeing. I'm not seeing the wall here. It's still the same thing. Oh, it's the same thing.
Yeah, take the dimension. Show me. Zoom. Change this dimension first. Go down. This is 2,000 only. Select the wall and click 2,000. Enter. And select the second one. It is also how much? 2,000. Okay, select this one. Yeah. Change 4,000. And do this one for this. Here. How much is? Select the wall. 7,000. Enter. And that's it. 3D. Okay. Okay, now we have done the floor, walls. So when you look at in the 3D view, you are able to look at like this. So shift, hold and see. Here is a building. That's the basement. These basements are below the ground level. You will not see outside. These all of them under the car parking areas. This is the building that you will see outside. Hmm. Hmm. So on this ground floor, you have a floor, but I don't have a floor on the what? Mezzanine. So if I go to mezzanine floor, double click on the mezzanine, and I see it from the wireframe, there is no flooring here. How do you add the floor? Floor, it will be on the what? Mezzanine. I'll take rectangle from that corner to what? This corner. This is for the what? Mezzanine floor. Okay. So I have a floor for the what now? Mezzanine. Can you do this one up to the roof? Up to the roof? Can you do this one for the mezzanine? Now I have done mezzanine floor, level 1, level 2, and roof. Okay? I hope you can do it, without my help. So mezzanine I done, then go to what? Level 1. Again, enable your wireframe here. Take what? Floor. And take the rectangle. It's going to be this corner to what? That corner, and say finish. And 3D view, you have done the second one. And go to the what? Level 2. And take again wireframe. And what? Floor, rectangle from here to here. Done. And again you will go to what? Lower roof and enable your what? Wireframe. So in lower roof you will face a problem. I will explain that, how to do it. Can you do these all floors now? Okay. So every floor you have to do it a flooring. Nana. தண்ணி இல்லையா? Okay. கிளாஸை முடிச்சிட்டு வாரேன் நம்மளோட விஷயத்தை பேசுறதுக்கு. என்ன சொல்ல போறீங்க தெரியாது.
முடியாது. முன்னாடியே நம்ம பேசி அவங்ககிட்ட சொன்னதான்
எப்ப பேசுறேன்?
பேசிடுறேன்.
எவ்வளவு? எப்படி? ஒன்னும் சொல்லலையே.
முன்னாடி வந்தப்போ பேசணும்ல. பேசணுமா
இல்லைண்ணா, அவங்கள்ட்ட நான் பேச இல்லைன்னு அவசரம் மறக்கவே இல்லை. ஐயோ, முடிச்சிட்டு வார். அப்படிதான் நினைக்கிறேன். என்ன அங்க கேக்குமா? இதுல ஆஃப் பண்ணணும். ഇത് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യാം അவ்வளோதானே ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്തേനെ